Picture this. You wake up one morning and suddenly everything clicks. Every joy, every heartbreak, every unexpected twist in your life wasn't random. It was drawn to you, shaped by an emotion you once felt. Sounds unbelievable, right? But what if I told you that your emotions are like silent architects, designing the reality you live in? Whether it's success, love, struggle, or loss, everything is a reflection of the energy you hold within. And here's the most powerful truth. If you created it, you can change it. You have the ability to cleanse, heal, and rewrite the energy you send out into the universe, transforming your life in ways you never imagined. Most of us go through life reacting to situations without ever questioning why they happen in the first place. Why do certain people repeatedly face financial struggles? Why do some always attract loving relationships while others seem stuck in toxic cycles? The answer lies deep within our subconscious emotions, the unseen forces that dictate the reality we experience. You might not realize it, but the emotions and feelings you carry from past experiences continue to shape your present and future. Have you ever noticed how, after feeling deeply angry, you attract more situations that make you even angrier? Or how, after feeling immense gratitude, everything around you seems to flow effortlessly? This is not a coincidence. It's the natural law of attraction at work. The universe is simply responding to the emotional vibrations you emit. But here's where it gets even more interesting. It's not just the emotions you consciously feel that shape your life. It's also the hidden emotions, the ones buried deep in your subconscious, that are silently manifesting situations without your awareness. And this is where Ho'oponopono comes in. This ancient Hawaiian prayer has the power to cleanse these deeply embedded emotional imprints and reset your energy to attract better outcomes. Take a moment to think about a situation in your life that you wish were different. Maybe it's financial instability, a difficult relationship, or a pattern of bad luck that never seems to end. What if I told you that you are not stuck? What if I told you that you could shift this reality simply by addressing and cleansing the emotions tied to it? There was once a woman named Asha who struggled with constant rejection in her career. No matter how hard she tried, doors kept closing on her. Frustrated and lost, she stumbled upon Ho'oponopono and decided to try it, despite her skepticism. Every day she repeated the 4 simple yet profound phrases. I'm sorry, please forgive me, thank you, I love you. At first, nothing seemed to change, but within weeks she noticed a shift. She started feeling lighter, her self-doubt faded, and without even trying, job opportunities began to appear. What had changed? Not the world around her, but the energy she carried within. Ho'oponopono is not just about words. It's about taking responsibility for the energy you hold and actively cleansing it. The key is consistency. Many people try it for a few days, expect a miracle, and give up when they don't see immediate results. But those who persist experience profound transformations. Let's break down how this works. Imagine your mind is a vast ocean. Over the years, every negative thought, every painful emotion, and every limiting belief has polluted the water, making it murky. Ho'oponopono is like a powerful current that begins to cleanse these impurities, restoring clarity and purity. With every repetition of the prayer, you are washing away old emotional baggage that no longer serves you. If you've ever struggled with negative patterns that seem impossible to break, there's a good chance they stem from unhealed emotions. And while you may not be able to pinpoint the exact moment these emotions took root, Ho'oponopono works without requiring you to relive the past. You don't need to dig up old wounds or analyze past traumas. All you need to do is allow the healing process to unfold through repetition and trust. At this point, you might be wondering, how long does it take to see results? The answer varies for everyone. Some people experience immediate shifts, while others require weeks or even months of daily practice. But one thing is certain: if you stay consistent, change is inevitable. If you're new to Ho'oponopono, start with a simple practice. Every morning, before checking your phone or getting caught up in the busyness of the day, spend a few minutes repeating the 4 phrases with genuine feeling. I'm sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. Do this while focusing on any area of your life that feels stuck. If nothing specific comes to mind, simply direct the energy toward your overall well-being. And here's a powerful tip. Before sleeping, play a Ho'oponopono meditation. Let the words sink into your subconscious as you drift off. This allows deep-seated emotions to be cleansed even while you sleep. The subconscious is most receptive during this time, making it an ideal moment for transformation. Soon, I'll be making a video on Ho'oponopono meditation. I request you all to subscribe to this channel and stay notified for that video. Many people have reported that after practicing Ho'oponopono consistently, they not only attract better circumstances, but also experience a deep inner peace that they've never felt before. This is because cleansing negative emotions creates space for higher vibrations such as love, joy, and gratitude to take over. Now, let's talk about parallel realities. Every possible version of your life already exists in the quantum field. The version of you who is happy, successful, and abundant is already real. The only thing separating you from that reality is your energy. If you are stuck in a negative loop, repeating the same problems over and over again, it's because you are emotionally aligned with that version of reality. But the moment you shift your emotions, you shift your reality. This is why it's crucial to cleanse negative emotional imprints before they manifest into unwanted experiences. Think of your emotions as the paintbrush and your life as the canvas. Whatever emotion you hold most strongly will color your reality. Ho'oponopono helps you erase what doesn't serve you and create a masterpiece instead. If this resonates with you and you're ready to take your subconscious reprogramming to the next level, check out my previous video on reprogramming the subconscious mind using Ho'oponopono. It will guide you even deeper into this transformative practice, helping you unlock the life you truly desire. Every moment is an opportunity to shift into a better reality. The choice is yours. Will you continue to carry the weight of old emotions, or will you take this moment to cleanse, heal, and step into your highest potential? Start today. Start now. And watch as your entire world transforms. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And let me know in the comments, what's one area of your life that you are ready to cleanse and shift with Ho'oponopono?